So I think this prize means a lot in several ways. First of all, it really reinforces our determination to keep working in this area, because it tells us that there is broader interest in this research direction, and this motivates both me and I'm sure my colleagues. And yeah, I'm happy that we could bring spotlight to this beautiful world of ion channels. What motivates me in my research is just the passion for finding things out, the joy of discovery. And very early on, I believe the idea that science underlies all progress in this world has been instilled in me. And I think that's what keeps me going and has kept me going.